Good evening, students. I am Inal Kunga. Welcome you all to the General Knowledge class. And today's topic of discussion is Indian mammals. Students, India has a great variety of fauna, numbering over 89,000 species. And these species exist in India due to its tremendous diversity of climate and physical condition. And we will know about these different type of mammals in this video. The first type of mammal in the list is the slender loris, which is found in the forests of South India, Sri Lanka and Southeast Asia. It prefers thick thorny vegetation wherein it can easily escape predators and find a large number of insects to eat. As you can see in the picture, it can twist its arms and legs through the branches without alerting its prey. In this way, it catches its prey. Dhole is an Indian wild dog that lives in Southeast Asia. It basically preys on medium-sized animal, and it hunts by tiring them out in long chases. Mean to say, it keep on chasing the animal for a long time and make them feel tired so that it can easily catch its prey. It's a very smart animal indeed, as it catches its prey by tiring out its prey. The next mammal in the list is binturong. Binturong is also known as Asian bear cat, but actually it is not a bear. It is nocturnal animal and it sleeps on the branches of tree. It makes chuckling sound when it seems to be happy and utters a high-pitched wail if annoyed. This is the picture of red panda. Red panda found its habitat in eastern Himalayas in India and southeast China. It has reddish brown fur. It also has a long shaggy tail and shorter front legs. It basically feeds on bamboo, but it also eats birds, insects and small mammals, and it can rotate its ankle while descending a tree. The next mammal is sun bear, which is also known as honey bear because it likes honey very much and it is an excellent climber. It has small round ears and a stout snout. It has a very long tongue. As you can see in the picture, it is folding its tongue. Its tongue is about 10 inches long and it has been observed to eat over 100 insect species and over 50 plant species. Students, you must have seen various cats roaming around your home, but this Pallas cat is little different. Although its size is almost equal to that of domestic cat, but it was named after the German naturalist who firstly described it in 1776. And it has clear black ring on its tail and dark spots on the forehead. Now you can see the picture of Marco Polo sheep. Marco Polo sheep basically is a subspecies of Argati sheep, and it is found in the mountainous region of Central Asia, and one can easily identify it by its large spiraled horn, as you can see in the picture. The thing to worry is that this beautiful creature's conservation status is near threatened. It has been mentioned in the book called Travels of Marco Polo. The next mammal in our list is the fishing cat. Fishing cat, like Pallas cat, is also a wild cat, means it is not a domestic cat, but it is a medium-sized wild cat. It is found in South and Southeast Asia. In 2008, it was classified as an endangered species. Like its closest relative, the leopard cat, it lives along rivers, streams and mangrove swamps. It is a skilled swimmer too. Takin. Takin which is also the national animal of Bhutan, is a goat antelope found in the eastern Himalaya. It has a large head, long arched nose, and stout horns, which you can see in the picture, and these horns are ridged at the base. It has an oily, strong smelling substance secreted over the whole body. And thank you, students. That was all about the various mammals found in different parts of the country, and I hope you found the world of mammals very interesting.